You know how a bunch of those YouTubers have all kinds of money and people are bankrolling them somehow, some way? Well, that's not us. We do this at night on our own time, on our own money, in our own way. But we listen to you guys. You guys told us the other day that we could use regular foam, break it all up, and turn it into mountains. Spray acetone on it, and it would melt the foam and make it look like stone. And guess what? You guys were right. We listened to everything you guys say. We read all of your comments and we tried just about anything that even remotely makes sense. We understand that flat paints have a lot of talc in the bottom and they have to be shaken for X amount of time. So we told Vanessa that this was like hair salon kind of stuff, that she had to do it just like it was a perm. You know, you have to actually obey the rules. And we sprayed it like using only earth tones. I mean, these are just paints that you can get anywhere. You can get them at any hardware store, anywhere. So we told her that she had to do this like highlights. This is like doing highlights on hair. And I can't stress to you enough how tired I am. It's 11:40 at night right now, and I'm still editing this because I got home and we shot this after work and put it together, and now it's going up. So anyway, once again, it's more like hair dye. There's a train going by out back, and I'm not going to redo this take because the train's going by because I'm too damn tired. So there's our hair dye bottles once again. We told her this is like a perm, this is highlights, and by putting the darker color down first, you put the lighter color on top and just kind of feather it in, nice and light. And Vanessa got kind of carried away with this really bright green, but she mixed it together with this really olive green, which turned into kind of like baby poop green, like green pea yuck. But you know what? It actually worked. It kind of looked kind of mossy or moldy or something like that. And it took her a little bit of time and a little bit of effort to figure out how to do it. But then she just started to rock and roll by putting in all the plants and trees once she got it on there. It's been a long night. And Vanessa just went and went and went. She was like relentless. She was like, no, this is so much fun. I'm like, dude, we're going to run out of batteries on the cameras. The card's going to fill up on the camera. If you heard the behind the scenes of this, and Amber's behind me, she's like, dude, can we get more beer? It was a heck of a night. None of the guys were around. It was just the three of us, just the three chicks working on this tonight. So we only got one side done, but this is, ta-da, completely instructions by the audience and just like kind of YouTube videos. So if you want to follow us, subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.